All right, guys, out here today. Again, walking 16th Street, trying to find anything interesting. As you can see, not too busy where I'm at right now, but I just walked up to Civic Park, which is up that way. See if there's anything going on with protest. Just more activity, more people to kind of shoot. But I don't see anything just yet. Might be something going on later today, but I'm unsure. So just gonna walk up and down here a little bit, shoot some photos of the X100V and possibly the M6 as well. So we'll see. Well, let's get it. How's it going? So funny. Yeah. So the reason I've taken this photo is just because, honestly, if you ever come to Denver, if you live in Denver and you walk 16th Street, that's what a lot of it looks like, especially now during Corona. It's a lot of homeless people, a lot of street performers, then a lot of just people walking. You got a lot of these restaurants up here, but it's the most busy street up here on 16th. So, you know, might as well stop hiding from it and actually just shooting the reality of it, what it is. And you know what? I'm just like, let's commit. Let's just shoot like the actual life. The only thing is shooting street performers, I don't have money. I'll be honest. I ain't that rich, so not trying to pay too many people. But if you can stealth the shot off, I might as well go for it. So this photo right here, I'm approaching. I'll show you if I can get it. It's too tight on my camera. I was trying to divide the shot between this pole right here, but pole's a little too wide. So right now I'm just kind of looking for good light, because a lot of it, as you can see, is kind of just blocked by shade. Like, there's good light here across the street. So I'm gonna cross the street right here and just get into this light over here, since the sun is over there on the whatever direction that is. See what I can shoot. Don't get me wrong, but taking pictures of homeless people, they're also like some crazy looking people. And those people I won't take photos of because I'm not trying to get attacked. Should have committed more to that one, but it's all good. Just seen a photo turning back around for. See if I can get it. Not 100% sure. How's it going? Took too long on that photo. He was I wanted to get him in the doorway, but he moved. Then it just became awkward, but hey, at least I shot the photo just to, you know, continually get that fear out. So there's this guy, this older gentleman, shooting photos around me. I'm kind of just taking a little break, and he's kind of just like walking around shooting from the hips. And it's just kind of funny. I want to go up and talk to him and just be like, commit. Put that camera to the eye. Compose that photo. My man's was working this spot. I'm about to award him. I want to get his attention. Dang. We'll just loop around him real quick. This is funny. See if we can get down here real quick. Nothing. I kind of missed the majority of it. Let's see here. Here he goes. Here we go. How's it going? Working this spot, huh? Oh, screw you too, man. Jesus. Could have got a hello, hi, smile, yeah, and F off. Like, dang, bro, he just stole me. See how friendly I am? How much of a jerk he is? Forget that dude. I mean, I'm offended. And I'm the photographer. Man, that's saying nothing to me. Man didn't say a single word to me. I was messed up. All right, so now we're gonna put away the Fuji for a minute. Bust out the old trusty M6 here, and shoot some black and white. I'm feeling black and white. All right, there's a bus making its way up here, and plan is to just kind of use this bright spot and try and shoot through some doors. See what we can get. There's focus preset. Ah, there's nobody on this bus. We got the driver. That's it. Dang it. Look at the photos. Here we go. How's it going? I really hope that photo came out. I really hope it came out. Oh, I really hope it came out with the dude peeking, man. Oh, golly. That's gonna be a cool one if it did. See, there's some photos that I just get like super excited about. That's one of them. I have this little patch of light right here I'm gonna try and work with. And I can kind of frame them pretty good in here. In this light.
I'm taking a picture of me.
I'm taking a picture of you.
So, I hope that works in our favor. And
Oh, John, some crazy homeless people down here. Hopefully I got that one. So one thing I do want to mention, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but it's just keeping my eyes open to kind of just what's happening around me. There's a guy up here dancing down the street. I want a photo, but I'm like, he's one of the people that's going to ask for money, make some type of comment. I mean, but it might, I don't know. We got to hip fire this one. He's grooving, bro. I didn't even get to finish what I was talking about, but just being open to stuff like this. I mean, my man's getting it right now. In the sunlight. Look at this. It's perfect. I might just kind of follow this guy though. I'm loving the energy. I want to get in front of him. Oh gosh. Look at it. Oh my god. Look at the energy. Man's getting it, dude. I love it. Love it. I'm getting it, man. I'm getting it. My guy keeps dancing in the light, and I love it. I'm trying to kind of do a slow follow here. Ah, missed. That was a good one, though. That was a fun one. I'm like, freak it, dude. Just follow him. It's rare you get to do this. Luckily I parked up here too, so finish the roll and be out. get in front of him, but I'm just like, I'm terrified of how he'll react. If I'm being completely honest. Terrified. I mean, but I've already took like 50 pictures of him, so that's a problem. He just turned around for me. Look, I'm not ready at all. Camera's not ready. I'm not ready. Yeah, that was fun. That was eventful. I think I finally got some decent photos that I am proud of. And we'll see how they come out when I develop the M6 photos on HP5, and then you know how the V photos come out. But I enjoy shooting both cameras so much. It is so fun. It is so fun. There's a photo. I don't have my V out right now. M6 is empty. Dang. This gentleman walking across the street right here. I really wish he had a reflection in the wall I wanted to shoot, but can't win them all, and I'm tired. Today is one of my, you know, kind of just good full days off, so I want to go home and enjoy the day off and whatnot. But again, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, it is hot. Please leave a comment below. I love discussing with you guys. Let me know what you think, because this was a first kind of just talking and kind of narrating like the photos as I take them, which I think was just really cool, really fun, just a really different perspective on shooting. And I think I really enjoyed doing it like this, you know, just kind of out there shooting for myself and just narrating out loud my thought process on the photos and just really committing to like a lot of the photos that I wanted to take. But sorry for this long outro. Please consider subscribing, because definitely have more content coming. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.